it's like heading back towards you.
Yep. I
What
just
are we looking for?
truck coming towards you.
I'm up here in this void. I didn't see him pass me.
He's coming towards you.
Before.
Who are you chasing?
This is, and it's Philly, it's not right, it's okay.
Well, it was already a code red prior, so...
Yeah, but I didn't actually see him shoot at anyone.
They did though earlier.
Yeah, but you know how the fucking cops, fucking police complaint boards are now. If I don't see it myself, it didn't happen. Oh, I just saw him grab you though. He's grabbing you.
He's trying to run over my car.
Yeah, that's code. What does that make that happen?
Yeah.
Oh, it's been red before.
Has it been red? Because I'll just shoot out his
Well, that's what I said earlier.
Where is this?
Coming down from this void. Coming down.
Is it
the
red?
Agent's calling it red, so.
Yeah, it was red before, it's red now.
Hit your sirens, Evo.
Shot killed the officer before, so...
He's out.
He's dead.